Dile que se lleve su carro. Why though? What a bucket, dude. What a bucket. Look at that bitch over there. Who's that?
Look at that fucking bitch ass nigga Shrek
Wow.
recording.
Wow. Why? Why? Let me go that way. Oh no. Why, Joseph? Why? I thought you wanted to end all that.
I like beef.
Roast beef?
Can I get a number 2? Hold the beef, because I don't like the violence.
Wow, what a hater. Yeah, he has a Toyota pickup. Yeah, you have a Toyota pickup.
That's a pickup. Ain't no TRD.
Oh, okay. Can we get to pick and pull? Cause I don't want to be here no more. I want to go to my girl's house.
You wanna what?
I gotta go to my girl's house after. Later at night. Oh my god.
Bucket.
Yes, it is. Here, let's go. Fuck. I'm gonna.
Fucking pulled over.
Man, fuck you.
Oh god, I'm never gonna drive like this if I get out of this.
Oh shit. There's a flea market. Go visit my arcade. What up? Hey, slow the fuck down, dude. Dude, slow. The axle just flew off. Holy shit.
Left no more right
Yeah, you can't no more.
You gotta go all the way down. Either way, that shit's being blocked anyway.
Hey, what happened here? What the hell?
Hey, did you see on your exit that fucking, the semi that was flipped?
On my exit?
Yeah.
When today?
Last night.
Mm-hmm.
When I got off work, I was driving. There were 2 cop cars and a semi was flipped over.
What the hell? No way.
Like, he was driving on the far right lane, but not the exit, and he fell off.
That fool must have been falling asleep, dude.
Yeah.
You see hella of those accidents.
I saw this one on Instagram. This dude is like nodding off. He falls asleep, flips the truck, and the fucking prostitute in the back, he has a curtain up. She just launches out, butt ass naked.
Oh shit.
Send me that.
If I find it, I will.
Low on gas, Joseph?
And if it's under half, it'll the gauge won't work 100%.
Oh my god.
But I'm pretty sure it'll cover.
No texting driving.
Text it, talk.
Why the fuck you trying to jinx that shit?
I still can't believe that this car's behind us. That guy's following too close. Can you please back up a little?
Pass us.
Oh, this one's bad. This one's bad. Ah! Oh!
Yeah, that's just strong.
Dude, I fucking hacked up the crash bar. I hacked it up together.
No mames.
Did you not see it?
No, I didn't pay attention to shit.
Bro, when we get off, I think if I look at it.
He drilled holes into the crash bar to mount it.
What the fuck? What kind of knock shit is that?
Oh, fuck. I hope this works.
We're halfway there, so
Man. No, please stop.
take my hand, we'll make it a
Holy shit. Yes, left. Dude, those clouds, what the heck?
That's
A tornado. You watch too much Sharknado.
Who the fuck watches that shit? Oh fuck! You would know about that shit.
Yeah, this is the tow rig. I'm about to start towing.
Calm your ass down. You didn't want to tow the Celica from fucking Milpitas.
Hell no. Do this from Malpitas?
That's hella far. You're hella stupid.
Hey, so
More than just
whatever
the
happened with the
fucking
insurance?
I don't know. I don't think my mom ever followed up.
Oh.
So I was supposed to send them my transcript so that they could like, give us a discount since I have good grades.
Okay, good grades from automotive, and this guy woke up 1.5 hours late to his final. Hey, he woke up 1.5 hours late to his final, and Vang still let him do his final.
Oh shit!
He loves me.
So it's finals week this week.
I'm off of school now for.
That car's still behind us.
The way I would have taken us would have gotten us here faster.
It's fine. I do not want to go through Charter Way with this car, okay?
We'll try the way. We're gonna end up on French Camp. It's right here.
No, keep going.
Back, 2 blocks.
Right here, Clark Drive.
Yeah, see, they don't take me. You see these ditches?
Right there, just fucking.
Man.
They did that shit at over by on McKinley, by where the yard's at. Somebody dropped the cabin, dude. The truck. Looks like a Chevy. They just fucking threw it right there on the side of the road.
So you want to go into the left, right here, like very where it says the cars for sale or something like that. Don't go all the way to like the regular yard.
And you have to go inside the office. I've sold a car before.
No, keep going, keep going, keep going.
It's this one.
Right there where it says entrance. I guess just park right here. Well, let's go see what they say.
You a bitch.
Look, dude. This shit's jerry-rigged the spot. I drilled the whole patch bar and I use this shit.
Oh, it was just the front of the axle.
What?
Just the front of the axle.
I was hitting that shit came apart.
The other one is still on because it's all lube.
Whatever. It made it. It's the most stupidest shit ever.
So this is the only shit that was holding it.
Yeah,
So
that's-
fucking no.
No, well, on my side as well. Watch, push it.
This is stupid.
Here, pull this out. Look, you can pull it out. No, oh wait, we gotta take off the chain first. Wait. No, hold on.
Why the fuck do you need to take off the chain first? Just take this shit off.
Oh, dude, watch, you'll see.
You might have hacked it up.
I hacked it up to work.
Oh, what the
Here, hold
fuck?
this. Record,
You
record
know
me.
how there's the lock in here?
No, not that way.
Loosened it.
What?
Hey, make sure you're not recording upside down. I am a knock, dude. I'm a fucking knock, dude.
Pull it up.
No, it won't work, dude.
That shit.
We fucking hacked it up, but do you not understand?
Oh shit. Yes. What the fuck? Here's your pen.
Let me see. Why'd you take it off? I don't want to lose that shit.
So you know how it's got the little lock that holds onto the ball? It wouldn't fit, so you loosen that shit up all the way, put the ball in, and tighten it on.
The lock? We took off the lock. We put the ball in, and then we put the hook or whatever it is that it holds. Because I think this is for like a 2-inch ball, and I got like a 2.5-inch ball. What happened? Keep going. Oh shit, a Scion TC though.
Didn't fucking give us instructions. You just said drive in
The lady just said drive it in there. $104 for that bucket. There goes the Celica. Well, I got my money. I'm happy. Let's go get something to eat.